Flutter gives you out of the box a lot of icons, and additionally you can also add some other icons from plugins, or you can also transfer your own icons from SVG to an icon format. And that's what we want to look at in this video. Let's start by calling this icon widget, and inside you need to put an icons class, and then you can type here dot and see here all the icons which you can use in Flutter. And if you want to have a better view, you can also go to module.io and resources and icons, and then you see here the whole list of icons you can use. So let's say you like this icon here, then you simply take this name. So we take here this info name, and then you simply type it here inside. Next to it, you can also put your color inside, and then it looks like this. So we have here the small info icon, and you can also make it bigger by calling the size attribute. And if you put here a higher value inside, then our icon is also bigger. And if you don't like this icon, you can also choose here with the dot other icons. So for example, you choose here the favorite one, and then you have here this heart displayed in our app. And you also can create here other icons, for example this favorite border icon, and then it looks like this. And here you can basically put all the icons inside which you like, and then you have here a wide array of possibilities. And basically you can also give every icon a different color if you like. Let's say you want to make one icon clickable, and if you click on it then something should happen, and therefore you can wrap an icon button around. And then you put here your onPressed handler inside, so if you click on this icon something should happen. And you also can put here an icon size again inside, and also color. And now if we tap here on this share icon, then you should see that we have here in our console this clicked on share, and here basically goes your logic inside. Now let's get more advanced, and we also use here two plugins to display some additional icons. And with this one you can, for example, display social icons and other company icons and so on. For the first plugin, Fong Awesome, you have here all these icons on this website, and I will also share all the links in the description. And then you see here what you can use, for example this Amazon logo or whatever you like, and simply choose it here. And I think they also have a search, so you can also search here, for example favorite or something, and then you see here directly all the related icons. And for the other plugin we have here this website, and here you see also all these icons which you can use, and there are a lot of them here inside. And basically I think they also have here a search, so you can also search for the icons you like. Let's install both of these plugins by going to the pub/spec.yaml file, and then you paste here inside your dependencies under the dependency tag. After it, make sure that you restart your application. Back in our app, in our build method, we write here icon, and inside of it we use this font awesome icons. And after it you can write a dot, and then you see here all these icons, or you simply go again to the website and then search for some icons. So let's say you want to have this icon here, so you simply copy the name and then put it here inside. And then we have our first icon here, our Google icon. Let's also put here some color inside so that we can see it. And you can also increase again the font size or the size of this icon. And next to it you have here many more icons. So for example this Apple icon, you also have here this Facebook icon, and so on. So this package has a lot of icons which you can use, and they all look very beautiful. By the way, if you want to get the source code, you can get it with the first link in the description, and with the second link you can get my Flutter course where I teach you how you can become a more advanced Flutter developer. Lastly, we want to look at how we can add our custom icons from an SVG format, and therefore you simply go to some website where you find your SVG file, and I simply go right now to this site here, and then I, for example, take this sump here, and then you click here, for example, SVG optimized, so make sure that you download this SVG file, and I will also download the second file here. After you have downloaded your SVG files, you simply go to fluttericon.com, and here we simply use these both icons which I have downloaded before, and I simply paste these SVG icons here inside. Then you need to select these icons, and then you can also type your name for your class, and here I use, for example, my icons, and then I click on download. Then you should get a zip file which you have downloaded. You can unpack this file, and here inside we need first of all to go into the fonts folder and copy this TTF. Back in your project you simply create a folder which is called assets, and then you paste this TTF file inside of your assets folder. And we also had here in our zip folder this my icons dart file, so make sure that you also copy this dart file, and we want to put it here inside of our lib folder. After it, you need to go to your pubspec YAML file and add them to your dependencies. So here under Flutter we write fonts, and then we put here our family my icons inside, so give it the same name which you also gave on the website, and then you put here your asset location inside. So in my case it's here in this assets folder and it's called my icons TTF, and that's what you put here inside. Then make sure that you stop your application and restart it again. And while it is starting, we can go here to our my icon start file, and here inside you see that we have these two icons which we now can use within our app. So let's go to our main dart file, and within our build method we can again create this icon widget, and here inside we put this my icons, and then you choose your name which you have here inside of this file, and we also can give it again a color and a size, and then it looks like this. And this is our custom icon which we got from this SVG file. And you can also put here the second icon inside which I have downloaded. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here to get the latest news about Flutter, and see you soon. Bye!